This is a short video to show how we make cables or wire bundles on Grandpa's railroad. At the end of the video a short sample cable will be made to illustrate. Many times, on a model railroad you would like to run a cable containing many wires to keep the wiring clean looking. For example, we have wired Grandpa's railroad traveling layout to be able to run on 2 DC throttles for the 2 parallel main lines. This requires 2 sets of wires to bring track power down the main line. Running a 4-wire cable sounds great, but it has many disadvantages. 4-wire 14-gauge cables are expensive, and it is hard to separate the wires where you wish to add feeder wires to power the track. It is much easier and cheaper to make your own cable, or wire bundle, using heat shrink tubing. Individual wire strands come in many colors, making each wire in the bundle easy to identify. It is a good idea to reserve certain colors on your layout for specific uses. For example, we use red for our positive 12-volt DC accessory supply wire and black for the ground. The table shows the shrink tubing we use. It will be included in the notes or can be found in section 5.2 of the Grandpa's Railroad User's Manual, which can be downloaded from our website. To demonstrate, slide the shrink tubing over one end, trying to keep the wires from twisting. After putting several pieces of tubing on the wire bundle, simply slide the tubing down the bundle a little at a time. Again, try to keep the wires from twisting simply because they slide easier and make a better looking cable. We typically use 1-inch pieces of tubing spaced 6 to 8 inches apart. Using the above sizes in the table, before shrinking the wire is held in place and it is easy to slide on. As you heat the shrink tubing, hold the wire straight and tight. This produces a better bundle. After shrinking, the wire is held tightly together. This leaves plenty of room for adding connectors between tubing. For example, you can see how this T-tap connector can be easily used for feed wires to the track. We will have a separate video on connectors. Thank you for watching this video. Press the subscribe button to follow us on YouTube.